Hey guys, I just got done moving some hay and I'm going to fill the tractor and with fuel and of course a safety valve not worky. Oh, nope. Oh, I got like a cup in there. Oh, geez. It's gonna take about 2 hours to fill. Even though I only need to put 2 gallons in there. So, let's correct this. Okay, guys. I got this easy pour high flow replacement spout and vent kit. Oh, what we have here? It's even got a spark arrestor thingy. And let's see if that's our threads. It kind of comes with 2 different threads. That doesn't seem quite right. Let's try the other one. Hopefully it's one of these. That one's definitely not right. Let's try that one. Ah, shoot. So that doesn't work. However, we happen to have this. I will jerry-rig the shit out of this if I have to. It might work. Would you looky there? That seems fairly tight. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Now where'd the vent thing go? I need a 1/2 inch drill bit. It says to use a reamer, which I don't have. At least not where I know it's handy. But let's try it without the vent kit first. It's not going to work that good. I'll tell you right now, just because it's no vent. But now let's cap it first. Okay, here we go. Take the nice cap off. And I like somewhat bendable. Let's give it a try. Oh wow, look at that. Works slightly better than the broken one. Okay, let's put that vent in. Find a 1/2 inch bit, so I'll be right back. Okay, so of course I couldn't find 1/2 inch bit out here, but I got 15/64 and just wallow her out a little bit with it. You know, do the old, you know, it's plastic. Plus we want it tight, right? There it goes. So there's your vent. See what she's barking at. But now we got a vent. And I put it offset because it's flat here and there's not the seam. So that's the vent there. We'll give her a try. Alright. We're ready to give her a second try. Now I got the vent closed. That's always the trick with the old style cans where you had a vent. Keep it closed. till you get where you want to be. Then open the vent and let her flow. And once you get close, fuck that one up a little bit. I forget she comes up quick there at the end. Still, less mess than the old setup. And there you go. That's a fix. I'll put a link to Amazon where you can get this kit. Seems really nice. Let's shut this and we'll go over and look at it a little bit more. So again, just the regular easy pour kit here. Let's see if any of the adapters fit. Grab the rings real quick to see if the threads work. That one looks like it works like a charm. So, got the plastic gasket there. Just put this back on it. And these ones do have a spark arrestor. I think I showed that before. It's also a nice little strainer, really, is all it's really. Spark arresters don't necessarily work. Don't pour into fire. Don't be a dumbass. Okay, so that's on there. And since I did the last one of these, I found if you put the extension on, it does make it a lot easier to control your pours. So I'm actually putting the extender on right away this time. So that's on there. Let's see, bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Next we have the cap. Now on the first one I did, the cap doesn't like to thread onto the extender that well. So hopefully this one will be better. First off, let's put this on here. So, just gonna grab it with this channel lock so I can push it through there a little bit easier. Hard to show you really what I'm doing. There. So now it's through. Now I'll put it on here and I'll pull it. There's two little locks, like little bumps in the thing. Push them through there. And all we gotta do is do the same and push it through one of these, and it'll push through easier now that's gone through one. And that's that. So you got a nice cap that you ain't gonna lose. Now we just have to drill the hole for the vent. And I'm still using that slightly undersized drill bit. Just open it up a little bit. There you have it. Now it's vented. Okay, I looked around and I found a couple more cans I need to fix. Well, the one I need to fix, the other one I'm just gonna see if this will work with. So, of course, we already did a diesel one, and that was TSG. Oh, I thought this was Midwest. Okay, this is Midwest Can Company and TSG. I'm sure you're familiar with those shitty ass fills. I just use that one for junk gasoline. And this one's TSG. I don't think it said Midwest. Anyhow, let's see if this adapters will fit on the little one. And then we'll go from there. Nope, it's different. The yellow one fits, so, but if the yellow one didn't fit, we would possibly be able to use the one that it had. Actually, I should replace this one. The gasket's bad in it. Show you. The gasket's all, I don't know if you can see that or not, it's all messed up in there. So, that one I always just put junk gas in that to start fires and stuff, so not that concerned about it really. But let's see. And realistically, we have this new gasket that might fix that. And it does fit, I think. Get that junk gasket off of there. Yeah, so that works. So you could use that same one, which I probably will do, just because it actually ratchets onto the tank. Well, no, I won't, because I'm going to use it on this one. I don't need that one right now. But it would work with the original thing. Just to show you that. It's actually a bit tighter fit. So, there you have it. That's on there. So if you had to, you could do that. But you don't have to, because the yellow one fits, so that's nice.